Hello all, now we will see nested classes in Java. In Java we can write one class inside the other class. So that thing is called as nesting of classes. So the class which is outside is called as outer class and the class which is written inside is called as nested class. Now simple example is shown here where outer class is there and nested class is there. So simply the block of inner class or nested class is inside the block of outer class. Now when we come to the implementation part of inner classes, there are two types of inner class. One is non-static inner class or non-static nested class and another is static nested class. So static nested class is on to the right hand side in this diagram, and non-static inner class we can further divide into subcategories. The categories are simple inner class, method local inner class and anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class can be either extended from other class or it can be implementing the other interface. So this was regarding the nested classes in Java.